In today's video, I'm using Sendgrid. This is a step-by-step tutorial designed to help you navigate through Sendgrid's email marketing platform efficiently. Whether you are new to email marketing or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly. First, let's start by accessing Sendgrid's website. So go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type in the address to access Sendgrid's email API and marketing campaigns. Once you've arrived at the homepage, locate the Sign In button. Click on it and proceed with entering your credentials to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Sendgrid dashboard. This is your central command station where you can manage all your email marketing needs. Now that we're on the dashboard, let's proceed by heading over to the main Sendgrid page. Keep an eye out for the marketing option in the menu. Clicking on this will take you into the dedicated marketing section. Here you want to find and click on single sends. This is where you can manage individual email sends as opposed to automated campaigns. Next up, you'll see an option that says create a single send. Clicking on this will initiate the process of crafting and sending a single email to your chosen recipients. After that, you'll be prompted to choose from different design templates. Go ahead and click on Sendgrid Email Designs. This is a fantastic feature because it provides you with numerous templates to use for your emails. Once you've accessed the designs, you'll see a Select button. Click on this to choose the template that best suits your needs. Don't worry if you're unsure about which one to pick. You can always preview them to ensure that it aligns with your brand or the message you want to convey. After selecting your template, you'll be taken into the design editor. This is where you can customize the email to your liking. You can alter the text, colors, images, and more to make sure everything reflects the message you're sending out. Once everything looks good, it's time to move on to the final step. Navigate to review details and send. Here you'll have an opportunity to review your email's details before hitting send. Double check everything to ensure there's nothing amiss. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can hit the send button to dispatch your email to your selected audience. And there you have it, you've successfully sent an email using Sendgrid. Hopefully this tutorial has demystified the process and will help you become more efficient in your email marketing endeavors. Stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering different tools and enhancing your digital communication strategies.